If you look behind me, you're gonna see the perfect log. The log every sawyer wants. Perfectly round, big around, 26 inches at one end, 24 inches at the other. I'm gonna name this log Bo Derek because it has a perfect body. Got a large rear end and a tapered front end. But is she the perfect 10 on the inside? There's only one way to find out. Spend a little time with her. Beauty's only skin deep. So let's cut this puppy open, see what kind of heart he has, or Bo Derek has. Let's make our first cut and see how deep this beauty runs. No Bo Derek here. Is it only skin deep? We're finna find out. That was just a skim cut. Let me see where I was on my log. I'm gonna drop down and cut her again. Oh yeah, got one little knot hole there, kind of saw, but looking good. Now let's say you have convinced Bo Derek to go out on a date with you. Y'all just went through y'all's first date. Everything went smooth. You think, oh yeah, she's a good girl. Falling in love, old heart pitter patter. Let's go for the second date. Oh, Bo Derek, she kind of big girl. That's okay. Big girls need love too, Craig. Second date. You take her to Applebee's, you got the coupon. Everything going good, everything going good. Nice day. All of a sudden you notice she's a little rude to the waiter. Then, well, you know, she didn't even hardly tip. She got her paying the tip, you get in trouble anyhow. Yeah, she's still good. She got a couple little problems. You can live with it. You can live with it. Third date. Third date, you decide you're gonna take her putt-putting. What could go wrong putt-putting? Y'all just putt-putting away. All of a sudden, you start getting a few points ahead of her. She starts getting mad. Huh? What? So you start backing off. Then she gets mad. She says you're sandbagging. Then she gets mad and throws her putt-putt across the putt-putt course, hits a little kid in the head. They try to sue you. See that right there? She got a bad heart. She ain't no good. I know she's pretty. I know Bo Derek's pretty. But she ain't no good once you get deep inside her. She ain't gonna make no wife. My grandma always said, that girl good, but she ain't gonna make no wife. only promising thing you're seeing is she's starting to lose a little weight. She's getting a little lighter. She must be on one of them Atkins diets or something. But I'm gonna try to roll her on her side and make a side cut. My best boards are gonna be on the outside edges due to the fact Bo Derek got a bad heart. So I'm gonna roll it on the side, trim them edges, roll it on the side, trim them edges, roll it on the side, trim them edges. We're gonna get everything we can out of it. That wasn't easy, but let's give her another run. It's gonna be another heavy one. I should have went up higher and cut it twice, being up by myself, make them a little lighter. I don't know what I was thinking. Bo done been on her last date. She looks good up top, but then when you get down towards the bottom, her little rump there, you notice it's a little soft, a little real soft, nothing firm about it at all. But still got that much good wood. Bo Derek's heart is bad. That's how much bad it is. 8x8 bad. But in the end, she winds up breaking up with you. She said, you know, we can still be friends, and you probably can. And after all that cutting, we got 7 12-footers, I think 7 or 8 shorties after I cut all the knots and bad spots out of them. Remember when your mama dropped you off at Sunday school and she said, go over there and play with little Cindy. She ain't got nobody playing with her. You're like, mama, she ugly. And your mama, pop, she slapped you in the back of the head. Boy, you know, beauty's only skin deep. Well, that's the moral of this story. Mama was right. Beauty sometimes is only skin deep.